Hey, this is Tom Cariera, and I just want to give a shout out to MunchEm and OrderEm for making my website just crisp and clean, and making sure that my restaurant runs smoothly, especially when I'm not around. The online ordering is terrific. The customer service is fantastic. You're always talking to somebody. They're very helpful. If you need to do an ad campaign or just get coupons out, OrderEm does just about everything for your restaurant. And my restaurant's been very successful here in Winter Garden. Italian restaurant, been here over 5 years now. And those guys at MunchEm and OrderEm are just terrific. Running my business is pretty tough, being in the restaurant business. And I'm sure you guys know that if you're in the restaurant business. But going through OrderEm and the way that they make it easy for my online ordering and the way things are going, because here at Cariera's, there's always something going on in the kitchen. So here we go. Always busy, always doing something. That's why OrderEm makes it easy for my online ordering. And I appreciate you guys over there. Thank you.